Beautiful day in Las Vegas, Nevada. We are currently staying at the Westgate Flamingo here in Las Vegas. It's a non-smoking establishment, including cannabis. I'm gonna show you room 2013. It's a one-bedroom villa. 2013. It is not a deluxe. The difference between a deluxe and a regular villa, we just found out. The deluxe has a washer and dryer, and the villa does not. So as we step in, we see the living room area. Children are making themselves at home, as they should, because we will be here for four nights. We're here for a basketball tournament. See this here is a sofa, lets out into a queen, looks like a queen size pull out. Fireplace actually works. Television, they're trying to figure it out. Got the dining area. As we move into the kitchen. Oh, back to the dining area. 4 chairs. Light fixture there. Moving into the kitchen. Nice size refrigerator, of course, freezer, ice cube maker. Just give us a day and a half, maybe 2. I think we'll be full. We will fill it up. We have our microwave up here. It's a nice size microwave. Everything's very clean, by the way. Full working stove. Okay, just clean it there. Cabinets fully stocked. Casserole dishes and whatnot. Over here you got your plates, mugs, bowls, glasses. We'll be using those because we have wine. We have our Angelica from Visa Tui Winery in St. Helena, California. And of course, some rum. Yeah, we brought that from the house. We've been sipping. Very good stuff. Fully functional sink. Cold water, hot water, cold water, hot water. Dishwasher. Silverware. So you got a grater back there. You got your slicer. You got your can opener, bottle opener, corkscrew. All utensils needed. More pots and pans. There's the dish rack. There's dishwashing detergent. There's a sponge. There's stuff for the dishwasher. You know, whatever you need. And the lady even told me at the front desk at check-in, she said if there's stuff there, you know, everything in here is pretty much, you know, what you need. Even a blender. Boy, I'll tell you. But she said if you need anything, oh, I'm sorry. Coffee maker with coffee, European roast, of course. Toaster. But basically she said if there's anything that we need that we don't have in here, Give them a call and they'll have it, they'll bring it over, whatever it might be. I'll hold her to that. Stepping into the bathroom. Some seats to the left here. We have a shower, nice size shower. Water closet, basically. Here's the commode. Let's check this water pressure. Yeah, it's not bad. It's decent. It's not just falling. That works. Let's see the shower products here. Woodbury and Company. Excuse me. We bought our own stuff though. That'll probably be taken full. Moving further in. Vanity mirror, nice. Niners. Towels here. Storage. More bathroom stuff down here. You got a hair dryer back there. Extra toilet tissue. More towels. Hand towels and whatnot. Let's see what's going on over here. Just another drawer. More towels. So all in all, nice bathroom. Again, there's 4 of us staying here. Keep that in mind as I move into the bedroom. This is a bedroom. This is the bedroom. Jet tub, nice. Don't know if we'll be using it, but hey, who knows? Anything's possible. Yeah. Full length mirror, head to toe. So you can make sure you got it right before you walk out the door. That's right, you see it. You see it. Plenty of storage space over here. We got a night light if you want to do some reading without disturbing your partner. There's actually a plug right there underneath and a USB port. Turn that light on and off with that one. 3 drawers, 1, 2, 3. Window out to the front door is basically right here. Door we walked in, it's the front door. I actually don't mind that at all. Don't mind that at all. Nice size television. I'll give that 46, maybe 48 inches, maybe 50. Not sure. Light switch. Dimmer. Another plug there. Nice table. Plug, nice table. Chair, armoire, whatever you want to call that. Another light. More ports. USB. And the regular 120 volt. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Stepping over here. Another light. More of the same. Got your telephone. 3 drawers. Storage, 1, 2, 3. Here's the strange part, by the way. This is a king bed, king size bed. Now here's the thing, there's 4 of us staying here. Haven't shown you any closets yet, right? Well, here we are. First closet. Okay, that door's not gonna open, but it doesn't need to. Because that's the water heater. Okay, water heater there. This is all the closet space for this whole room. There's all the closet space for this whole room. You see, you got your ironing board, iron. actually have a broom and dustpan for you, and a safe, a wall safe. Not very pleased with the closet space though. It's not enough for 4 people, and it tells you that it sleeps, I think it said it sleeps 5. There's 4 of us are here. Kids will be living out of their suitcases, it looks like. And I'm sure they don't mind it. Gives them a little more control. Got a ceiling fan in here to stay cool. It feels really nice in here, so I'm not gonna complain. Probably won't need that. But yeah, back out into the living quarters, living room, kitchen, beautiful wife, beautiful children. We're gonna have a beautiful time. We're here for this guy's basketball tournament. See what he does. Yeah. Once again, the Westgate Flamingo here in Vegas. We'll see what happens. What's that?
Map.
Oh, map.
Grounds.
Oh, the grounds, yeah. So we came in right here, drove all the way around. She asked where I wanted to go, and I told her that, she said back by the basketball court. I was like, that's fine, because that's why we're here. And then she asked if I wanted 2nd floor or 1st floor, and I told her 1st floor.
Oh, that's nice. And we also got this, which is very
She
helpful.
asked if I wanted a list of the groceries and restaurants. I said yes, indeed, because that's what we do. So everything's
They have
close
a shuttle.
by. They have a shuttle that takes you to Walmart.
And they deliver.
Smith's delivers, right?
They have the hours of operation and distance. That's helpful.
Right.
And this is a
They
shuttle.
have the shuttle.
Schedule.
The schedule for that. And where it takes you. So yeah. I like it. I mean, we could. Had I known, I don't know if we really need the washer and dryer.
This time, yeah. Last time we used it once.
Yeah.
For one thing.
Right. For his uniform, we could do that in the sink. But yeah, there you have it. Westgate Flamingo Resort here in Las Vegas.
Patio.